Hello my dears, this is Sarah from SheHoldsDearly.com, and today I'm going to share with you the mantle that we just finished in our master bedroom. We have a gas line in our bedroom that for all these years we thought, well, we'll just pipe that gas line and have a gas fireplace in our bedroom, and it was this dream we had. And then when we went to price it out, it was a $3,000 to $5,000 expense, and we just thought, you know what, there's so many other needs in this old house that I don't think I just don't want to drop that kind of cash on this. So we had a mantle that we'd found on Craigslist. We paid $125 for it, and it was super deep. Like, it was meant for a gas fireplace, and it just sat in our bedroom for many years, and I used it as a bookcase for a while. Anyway, we finally decided we're gonna tackle this, and that the gas fireplace really wasn't probably in our budget. So then we just started looking at other options, and electric fireplaces have actually really improved. And so we decided, let's just do that. It was a fraction of the cost. And then it looks real enough in our minds. And we changed stuff around so much in this house that it's kind of nice that it wasn't a ton of money and that we can move it around. We can easily slide it out. We can redo the mantle, repaint it, add different decorations, different details to it. So let me break down what we did to actually make this happen. So we took our Craigslist mantle, and it had these huge corbels on it, which now I'm thinking actually might look a little bit better. Now that it's white, I'm thinking, it might be a little bit. There is more coming, I think, with this mantle. I think I'm gonna probably dress it up some more. But we took those corbels off, and then I needed to deal with the depth, which was kind of awkward looking, especially with this little tiny electric fireplace we're gonna put in it. So my husband decided that it was actually easiest to dismantle it and cut each piece down like 4 inches or something, and then he reassembled it. And from there, it was pretty simple. We had a little opening around where the insert was gonna go, and so he just took some cheapo trim and screwed it into place, and then we just caulked the seams, and then he painted it white. And we simply slid the insert in, and we can pull it out. I could pull it out right now. And then we plugged it in, and we have a little remote, so at night we can like turn up the heat, or we can turn off the flame, or so I am surprised, but I'm a huge fan of this brand, and I'll link it below. But this is a great option if you just need a quick fix for your mantle. And I'm so excited to actually like hang stockings on the mantle this year and have this project done after we waited for so long. And you can see the side of it. I decided I didn't care enough to actually like fill in the side and have it like built in on the wall. Maybe if I changed the color and it didn't match the wall, I would actually put a little piece of wood in there so that it looked like it was more built in. We'll see as time goes on, but it wasn't that necessary. It was a really actually quick project. We did it in one afternoon. And if we had done the gas fireplace route, I mean, you have to like cut a hole that goes to the exterior of your house, and you have to ventilate it because it's more like a chimney system. So that's part of why it's so expensive to do a gas fireplace, and it just wasn't really where we were at. So this is a great solution. I highly recommend it. I hope that if you have a mantle that you've been just frustrated with, that you can't like do anything that looks like a real fire in it, this is a new source of hope for you. And as always, thank you for stopping by the farmhouse. I hope you enjoyed that. And if you're new here, please consider hitting that subscribe button. I do post regularly, and I share my professional design advice in our vintage home life. All right, take care, and I will talk to you soon.